Happy Thoracic Thursday. Now we're going to the back. So I lay this down up against my low back, so right above my belt really is what I'm going to focus on. Then I'm going to lean into this and lay back first. That curvature that I'm creating, that's a good idea for some of your vertebrae in your lower back. Then what I can do is I can slowly roll down or bring it up. What that's going to do is, again, focus on that curvature, but it also starts to spread out that tissue. And that's the focus of this foam rolling session again, is to get some myofascial release. Go all the way up to the top of my shoulders, and then all the way down, breathing while you're doing that. You then can go lean to your left, lean to your right. And I'm getting all the way up to the thoracic spine as well as the lumbar spine. Then I can switch over to my neck size foam roller. Slide that in at where my neck would be. So a little bit higher, somewhere in here. Now again, I just lay on that comfortably to start. And then I can start to work going down a little bit into my upper shoulders. And then I can go all the way back to my neck, and then to my top of my skull, or the base of my skull. Work right in that area. Then again, I can go to the side, and then I can go to the other side. And again, these are really good, or can be beneficial for releasing tension in those areas. So when you get a chance, go grab a rolled piece of paper and roll out your tissues. Thank you very much. Happy Thoracic Thursday.